let's take an example, and I'll just try to explain by an example how RPA and what is RPA and how RPA can support your digital transformation journey. So I'll take a simple example of an invoice processing. Any organization in this world, they will have this process of invoice processing. What typically happens in this process? Organizations department, finance or procurement department, they receive an invoice from vendors. The department people, they go into the ERP system, they fill the invoice data. As of now, till now, most of the organizations, they are still doing such processes manually. Yes, there are electronic invoices, and that is the best way of doing. But more than 90% of the invoices processed are manual. If we consider all the organizations, small scale, medium scale, or large scale, how do they process this? What do? They get invoices over that email. So invoice copy over an email, or maybe by hard copy or any other way. A person from finance or procurement department, they take the invoice, they go through the data, they log into their ERP system and enter the data. This is the same task they do for all the invoices. And even a small organization gets hundreds of invoices a month during a month's time. So they do the same task every month, hundreds of times. And it has very limited to no decision-making skill. So we can easily say this is one of the tasks which is a tedious task and which is a manual task. RPA is and as I said, integration is something which is not possible always, because let's say if you are getting an invoice copy over an email, you cannot do an integration over there. So RPA is a solution which targets or which attacks this kind of issues.